Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Before the Bell, where every morning before market open, I give you my top stock picks of what I'm going to be trading throughout the day. Now, my name is Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living, and I'm here to teach you how you can do the same so that you can break out of the rat race and achieve financial freedom for yourself so that you can have the time and the freedom to live the life you were meant to. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so nothing I say is a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. We've got a ton of great content for you, so please do me a favor, go down, tap the like button. It don't cost you anything, and it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. While you're there, do yourself a favor, hit the subscribe and notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss any of our upcoming videos. At the very least, follow along. It'll be entertaining. You'll get to see what I pick every day and see how it plays out in the afternoons. I don't see anyone else out there on YouTube that's willing to go out there and say what they're picking before market open and show you how their accounts look afterwards. So, should be entertaining at the very least. I really hope you follow along, pick up some information, learn with it, because learning this skill, the beauty with the stock market, crypto markets, is there's no barrier for entry. You can start with $20 in your pocket and change your financial future. So let's get right into it. Let's look at the markets for the day. The S&P is down a little bit in the pre-market. We had a really bloody day yesterday. Just about everything was down yesterday, which gave us a lot of buying opportunities. We made some good money yesterday, even with the market down. We made money on Apple. We made money on Facebook. So let's go ahead and see what we can do today. We used yesterday as a buying opportunity. We picked up some more PK as well as IMPP, which we were holding over to hopefully sell today, expecting today to actually be green, I would expect, with the way yesterday was down. So we're holding those over. IMPP is a swing trade for us. If you've been following along, we'll probably have that for the next week or two. IMPP, though, I'd like to see it spike today. I'd like to go ahead and liquidate that position. As far as our trades for this morning, I got a couple of things I'm looking at. I'm really interested. Of course, you probably know Snap got beat up terrible yesterday, along with Pinterest. Pinterest was guilt by association. But Snap, SNAP, I'm going to be watching it market open, along with Pinterest, ticker symbol PINS. I'm going to be watching how they open. If they don't break down real bad and look like they've got some strength, I'm going to be taking a position on one of the two of them, I'd say. I think Pinterest has a strong chance of coming up today and having some good plays in it. And if Snap holds up and don't break down, it's got a big gap fill there. I think it could be a really good play for us. Other than that, we're still holding our IMPPs. I'll be waiting to liquidate that. I noticed in the pre-market we're up, so I'm really hoping it continues to climb. I'd love to see it hit 42, 43 cents. We'll make a really good percentage gain on that. So that's our plays for this morning. I'm going to keep scouring the market, keep seeing where we're at. Oh, get off stocks for a minute. I did take some crypto positions today. I really thought that a few cryptos was beat down pretty good and that I wanted to take a position in them this morning. So I have taken a position in Ethereum this morning. I also took a position in Solana and a position in Cardano. I took a position in all three of those this morning while I was doing my research. You hear me talk a lot on this channel about trading. I do invest long term as well. And against most people's recommendation, I would say a great deal of my portfolio, as far as my long term investing, is in cryptocurrencies. So I think that all three of those cryptos I bought this morning, if the market goes well today, I think they've got a good chance to pop and I could just day trade them. If not, they'll just get added to my long-term portfolio. It's no big deal. At these prices, I'm tickled to death to buy it. So if you want to know what platforms I use, the links are pinned in the description below. Be sure to subscribe and come back and watch us this afternoon on our aftermarket review, where we talk about how the market closed for the day and how our plays panned out. We work up all the math and see where we're at. We're already on a great run this week. We're up 10.3% on our trades already, and we've only traded 2 days so far. So let's continue the momentum and see what we can close the week out at. As always, remember, never trade with your emotion. Always trade by the numbers.